Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So, in case you are literally living under a rock and you have not heard, the coronavirus is taking over the world. Everybody is home self-quarantining. Almost every gathering over 20 people is canceled. My mother has confined me to the house and my school's moved online for the next 2 weeks. So I have a heck of a lot of time on my hands. So I was like, how can I use this to my advantage? Like, what can I do with all this time? So I was like, I just need to organize all of my stuff because it is disgusting. So this week we are gonna fix that. I'm just gonna extend this video over the next couple days, try to do a different part every single day, go to my bathroom, my closet, all that kind of stuff. And hopefully if you guys are at home quarantining, wherever you are, this can inspire you to organize your stuff too. I don't know, I just thought this would be fun to film because I have a lot of time to do this stuff and I'm just gonna be at home doing school online for the next 2 weeks. So that is the plan for this week. I'm hoping to upload a couple different videos while I have the time, so let me know what you guys want to see. This is the longest freaking intro ever. So it is time to organize. Guys, I'm horrible. It's the next day. I have not organized a single thing. I just didn't get to it yesterday. I think I'm going to start with everything but my closet. That's what I'm gonna try to do tonight. It's like 8:15 right now, so kind of late to be starting this, but it is what it is. Okay, it's time.
I don't wanna go out, I just wanna stay at home. Wear my favorite robe tonight, I'm partying alone, yeah. I'm so bored of going to all the sweaty clubs. I'm just gonna order takeout and chill on my couch, yeah.
Okay, drawer 1 is complete. The next drawer, this one's pretty bad. It's like my technology stuff. But I have these things that I'm gonna try to make use of. So we'll see how that goes. Dun-dun-dun-dun. Drawer 2 is all done. This one feels so good to have organized because it was just a disaster, and now I can keep my cameras inside this drawer because they're just floating around on my desk. And now this drawer is full of crap. Honestly, don't even know what's in here. Like art projects, family tree. Next, we're going to the desk. This light is straight up in the middle of my room. The scene just gets worse and worse. But this stuff over here is from that first drawer. And I'm gonna try to get this organized because this is just a junk drawer. I just throw stuff in here when I don't. What is this? There's more cards in here. I need to put those where they belong. Anyway, this is just stuff that has nothing to do with office supplies, but I want to make this like a little office supply looking thing. See you when this is organized. You guys, this is huge. Okay, I'm gonna come back up here later with a cleaner or something so I can clean off the top of this because it has some marks on it. But oh my gosh, look at this. And my laptop actually fits in the drawer, and the charger here, my camera strap here, and I actually have a stapler up here. So I'm always going downstairs for one, onto the bathroom.
Sit on my bed, I got nothing to do. Take out my phone, 1 second, right to you. I'm really bored, please don't ignore. Started as fun, now I randomly know you love rainy days and you still live at home. It's cool to see you're real with me. Oh no, we've never met.
Voila, drawer number 1 is complete. I have all my brushes here, a bunch of Q-tips, my makeup remover, and all these little cotton pads, some razors. And now it is time to tackle this drawer. Oh my lord, this is probably the messiest drawer. That's all the stuff that belongs in there. No idea what I'm gonna do with this. You can't even see, but there are more of these little bins. I just got these at the Dollar Tree, by the way, months and months ago, probably honestly years ago at this point. This thing's also down here. I just have so much stuff in here. I need to figure this out because there's just bows and bows and bows in here from Cheer. Oh my gosh. They literally do not end. It just keeps going and going. Also, all these scrunchies. I think I'm just gonna take everything out and then go from there.
All of the nuances no one else sees. We talk all night. I read then type. Oh, no, we've never met, and things like this never last. But every time you text back, I can't help but reply with hearts in my eyes. I think I really like you, but I never say it straight to your face.
Alright, this is still madness, but there's now a method to this madness. So I put all of the hair tools and curling irons right here. All the scrunchies are in here, but I also put in these random clips and all my headbands in here. All the cheer bows are stacked up on here. We'll see how long this lasts till it all goes everywhere. I have these bun makers from when I did Pop Warner and we did buns in our hair, and then hair scarves right here. And now this is what, here's me, the counter looks like. So I'm gonna get to work on that right now. Then I'll go back to my room, make my bed, and do the floors and everything. And we should be done for the night, and then I'll pick this back up tomorrow. So time to finish this up.
Missing someone.
Hey guys, it is the next day and I'm back and ready for some more organizing. This is day 3 of this video. The first day I didn't do any organizing, but today we are tackling the closet. I'm hoping this doesn't take too long because it's currently late and I need to go to bed, because if you don't hear it in my voice, I'm feeling a little under the weather. It's currently like 8:15, which I think is around the same time I started yesterday. So I don't have much to say. I'm just gonna get right to it and I'll give you guys updates periodically. And let me just do a full before so I don't have to like show you as we go along. These are all my dresses and like fancier things. All my clothes in here. These drawers are so embarrassing. This stuff up here, I don't even know if I'll touch that stuff up there. This thing is just full of books from like my childhood. Underneath here is just a complete and total disaster. I have my suitcase and this other suitcase I'm hoping to make room for, but there's just so much stuff in here. I think I'm just gonna take it all out and we will go from there. Okay, here is the current situation. There are clothes everywhere. I'm trying to take everything out of this drawer because I'm trying to take a thumbnail right now, and there's even still stuff up there. I just don't know how all of this fit in there, but I'm gonna try to take a thumbnail. Who knows if it will be possible, but I'm gonna give it my best shot. There's just so much stuff everywhere.
I'll wait to see your golden smile, feel of 1,000 kisses. Oh, please stay a while. I'll reach up to hold your sunlit face. Feels like a handful of silk now. I'm in your warm embrace. Oh, I hope this feeling lasts till the oceans turn to glass and the world around us turns and fades to black. Together we'll hold back the sun in this moment, forever young. Against the stream of time we'll run, baby. We'll hold back the sun. This feeling moves me every single day. I'm captured by your charm, enchanted by your ways. In the magic of your eyes, I've become lost in their spell. So come closer, my dear, because all is well. Oh, I hope this feeling lasts till the oceans turn to glass and the world around us turns and fades to black. Together we'll hold back the sun in this moment, forever young. Against the stream of time we'll run, baby. We'll hold back the sun. When the sun goes down and the world spins round, when I lay right next to you, I can't close my eyes even though I try. These perfect moments are few. I fall asleep to embrace in the morning, awake to
You guys, it is done, thank goodness. I feel like that took forever and ever, but I'm looking real cute, as you can tell, with my Old Navy sweatpants on and the donut socks. Just quite the look. Everything is all cleaned out. I'm so happy. I have this big bag of stuff that I'm gonna donate. The closet itself is so organized, you guys. So I made the horrible decision of having this big suitcase. It was standing straight up right here and it was so problematic. This is like first world problems, but whenever I would reach for this, it just got in the way. So what I did is I put my suitcase that was right here, which was taking up so much unnecessary room. I put it inside here. I don't know if you guys caught me talking about that, but I put it inside here, zipped it up and laid it flat. And then with all this stuff right here, I finally organized this nicely. So I have all these empty hangers and then it goes from tank tops to short sleeves to long sleeves all the way down. Coats are up here. All my purses and things are inside of here. I'm trying to consolidate so I have more space. This hat, which I got from my trip to the Caribbean, and I like wore it twice. So hopefully I'll wear it more this summer. Sheets are finally folded and organized. Dresses and everything finally have their space. Over here, oh, all these drawers are nice and clean. My battery's flashing, so it might stop in a second, but blanket, and this is just for miscellaneous items. Anyway, I don't want to drag this on and my battery's gonna, or my camera's gonna die. So please subscribe if you haven't already, and stay tuned for my Q&A coming this Sunday. I filmed it with my twin sister and it's gonna be really good and juicy, so my camera's dying, but thank you guys for watching, and we're almost to 10K. We probably are by the time this video goes up. It's dying. Okay, love you guys, bye.